How to draw the Las Vegas Raiders logo. We are going to start by drawing a big curved V shape in the middle of our page. This will be the bottom part of the shield that the Raiders logo is inside of. Now we are going to draw the right side of the V shape, but it's almost like a U shape as well because of the curved sides. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now to connect the top of that shape, we are going to draw two curved lines, starting in the middle and curving downwards towards the outside. Looks great! Now we are going to draw a line exactly the same as that one, but on the other side, connecting the middle of the top of our shield to the left side. Awesome job! We're off to a great start. Next, we are going to draw the rest of the logo inside of this shield. We are going to draw Raiders at the end right here across the top, but first we are going to draw the Raider and start by drawing a curved line right here. This will be the top of our Raider's head. Now going downwards from the left side of this, we are going to draw a slightly curved line that goes out to the left and then down. Then we are going to continue that line going downwards and have it curve a little bit at the end. This will be one of the straps to our Raiders headgear. Looks great! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now let's draw the right side. For this, we are going to draw a line that goes downwards and is slightly curved outwards at first and then curves back inwards. Then we are going to draw a curved line down from the bottom of this that almost connects to the other side of the strap that we drew on the left side. But as you can see, there is a very small space where they do not connect. Now we are going to move up towards the top and side of our Raiders headgear and draw a straight line going from left to right. This will be the line across our Raiders forehead. Then from the right side of that, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards, connecting to the bottom of the right side of the headgear where the strap is. Now we are going to start from the left side of that straight line across the forehead and draw another curved line going downwards, but this time on the left side that will connect to the bottom of the left side of the headgear where the strap is. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. You're doing great so far. Now we are going to draw two small ovals inside of the right part of the strap right here. Now we are going to draw the other small oval right above this one. For the next step of drawing our Raiders logo, we are going to draw a rectangular shape in the middle of the top part of the headgear going downwards right here. This will connect to the very top of the headgear but not connect to the bottom line that goes across the forehead. Wow, learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our drawings are looking awesome. Now we are going to begin drawing the Raiders' face. For this, we are going to start by drawing the nose. For this, we will start with drawing a straight line in the middle of the face. This will be for the bridge of the nose. Then underneath that, we are going to draw a wavy line for the bottom part of the nose. Awesome job! Now to add some more detail to the nose, we are going to draw a small line going upwards from the right side of the nose. Next, we are going to draw the Raider's eye patch, which will be on the left eye. For this, we are going to draw a square to the left side of the bridge of the nose. Next, we are going to connect the eye patch to the top of the bridge of the nose by drawing a diagonal line. Then we are going to draw the strap of the eye patch. For the left side of the strap, we are going to draw a small straight line to the left of the eye patch, and then for the right side, we are going to draw a curved line going from the top corner of the eye patch up to the line across the forehead. Awesome job! Learn how to draw a buckaroo. Now we are going to draw the right eyebrow and eye. For the right eyebrow, we are going to draw a small curved line. And then we are going to go over it a few times to make it a little bit thicker. Then below that, we are going to draw a straight line going from the left to the right for the right eye. Then we are going to draw the chin of our Raider. For this, we are going to draw a curved line right above the bottom straps of the headgear. Great job! Learn how to draw a buckaroo. Now a little bit above the chin, we are going to draw a straight line going from left to right. Then above that, we are going to draw a straight line just like that one, but a little bit longer. Then going up from the left side of that line, we are going to draw a small diagonal line. This is going to be the mouth. Awesome job! Learn how to draw a buckaroo. We're all done drawing the face of our Raider. Next, we are going to draw a few details on our Raider's headgear. For this, we are going to draw a few lines going up and down on the right side of the headgear. Great job! The next step of drawing our Raider's logo will be to draw the two swords that go diagonally behind the Raider's head. We will start by drawing the sword with the handle to the left of the Raider's head. To begin drawing the handle, we will draw a half circle shape to the right of the top of the Raider's head. Then from the left side of that half circle, or the bottom side, we are going to draw a big curved line for the handle. Then from the other side of the half circle, we are going to draw a straight line going diagonally downwards that does not connect to that curved line we just drew. To connect that diagonal line to the big curved line we drew, we are going to draw a small curved line going to the right from the straight line. Awesome job! Now inside of this shape, we are going to draw a curved line along the same side as the other curved line we drew earlier. And then to connect the top and bottom of that curved line, we are going to draw very small curved lines that look like little bumps. Great job! Now we are going to draw two straight lines going downwards from the handle for the sword. Then to the bottom right side of our Raider, we are going to draw two more lines to make the bottom part of the sword. It's going to follow right here so that it matches and lines up with the other two lines of our sword. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our Las Vegas Raiders logo is looking awesome. Now we are going to draw the other sword. The handle will be towards the top right of the inside of our shield. This is going to be drawn the same way that the other handle was drawn, and then just like the other sword, there will be 2 lines going downwards from the handle, and then 2 lines on the bottom left side of our raider for the bottom part of that sword. Now we are going to draw the 2 lines going downwards from our handle for the beginning of our sword. And then we are going to draw the 2 lines for the bottom of our sword. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings are looking awesome and we're almost finished. Now all we have to do is write Raiders right here across the top. We will start by drawing an R on the left side above the left handle. Awesome job! Now we are going to leave a small space and then draw a capital A. Next, we are going to draw an I. Then we are going to draw a D below the very middle of the shield where the point is at the top. Then to the right of that, we are going to draw an E. After that, we will draw an R. And then lastly, after the R, we are going to draw an S. This is how to draw the Las Vegas Raiders logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.